Hello everybody, my name is Amit and you're watching Aptitude 360.online. This is the video number 3 in the series of Divisibility Rule 2. If you have not seen these two videos, go in the comment box or you find it out over here. But make sure that you have seen those two videos. उनके देखे बगैर इस वाले वीडियो के क्वेश्चंस लगाना तो गलत है, राइट? You need to build upon your basics and come back over here. In the meantime, I'm going to solve these problems. Assuming that you have seen those two videos. चलो जी, हमारे को क्या करना है, हमारे को 5-6 प्रॉब्लम लगाने हैं इस वीडियो में. मैं इस वाले क्वेश्चन को पढ़ता हूं आपके लिए. 5-6 समथिंग. दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 88, राइट? नाउ यू हैव लर्नड व्हाट इज द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 88. what did I say in the previous video? That 88 is the product of 8 and 11. And you know the divisibility rule of 8 and you know the divisibility rule of 11. अगर कोई भी नंबर 8 और 11 दोनों से डिवाइड हो गया तो necessarily that number is going to be divisible by 88. Is that okay? Now tell me, what is the divisibility rule of 8? We check last 3 digits for the divisibility rule of 8. यहां पे क्या आएगा? ये आ गया 5 क्यूब. अगर हम 5 को 8 से डिवाइड करें तो इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? द रिमाइंडर विल हैव टू बी 0, राइट? सो दिस इज 8 7 जा 56 will not go, so this is 8 and this is 48 and this is 7 and then this is 7 and then you have got q. Now what should be the value of q so that the remainder becomes 0? अगर आप 8 की टेबल पे देखेंगे, नॉट 9, 8 की टेबल पे देखेंगे तो 7 के साथ कौन सा नंबर आता है? सो इफ यू सी 8 64 and then you have got 8 into 9 is 72 and then you have got 8 into 10 as 80. Yani if you have got 7 at 10th place, what should be at the unit place? It should be 2, so that the number becomes divisible by 2. So it has to be nothing but 72. Do you understand this? And if this has to happen, what is going to be the value of q? The value of q should be nothing but 2. As simple as that. Now if you understand this thing, so I say that the value of q out here should be nothing but 2. And the problem is asking us to find out what is the sum of p plus q. राइट? और अगर हमारे को सम निकालना है p प्लस क्यू ओवर हियर तो हम क्या करेंगे? यही तो करते हैं. वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर एंड देन वी टेक द सम ऑफ डिजिट्स एट ऑड प्लेसेस विच इज दिस एंड दिस एंड दिस. सो विच इज 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17 plus now q is 2 is going to be nothing but 19. Is that okay? Now what is gonna be the sum of digits at even places? If we need to find out sum of digits at even places, this is what we should be doing. So this is 5 plus p plus 6. That's gonna be 6 plus p plus 5 is 11 plus p. Is that okay? So this one is coming out as 11 plus p. Now sum of digits at odd places is this, whereas sum of digits at even places is this. मैंने क्या बोला था? बड़े वाले में से छोटे वाले को घटा देंगे और हमारा काम हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे कौन सा दिख रहा है? 19. Negative this number, it has to be nothing but 0. If you find it out, what is that you're getting? This is 7, right? 7 negative p, not positive p. This is 7 negative p is coming out as 0, and hence the value of p is coming out as, it's not 7, rather it is 8, right? And then the value of p is coming out as 8. Is it okay? So now you know the value of q, which is coming out as 2, and you also know the value of p, which is coming out as 8. And what is this problem? This problem is asking you to find out p plus q, which is 8 plus 2, and the answer over here is nothing but 10. As simple as that. तो इस पूरे के पूरे क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या सीखा? If you need to find out divisibility rule of 88, the number will have to be divisible by 8 and it will have to be divisible by 11. इन दोनों नंबर्स की divisibility rule अगर आपको पता है तो उनको यहाँ पे लगाओ और सेपरेटली पी एंड क्यू की वैल्यू निकल के आ जाएगी. इज दैट ओके? Now, there are people who will do this. They will first apply the rule of P, rule of 11. उसमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. तो भाई अगर हमारे को 8 का पता ही है कि ये वाला नंबर डिविजिबल होने वाला है 8 से, तो पहले क्यों निकाल डालते हैं. एंड क्यों निकाल दिया तो फिर वो 11 की डिविजिबिलिटी रूल को लगाना बड़ा ही आसान हो जाता है. आई होप आई एम मेकिंग सेंस आउट हियर. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैड. Let us go to this problem. I am assuming this. So every time when I'm solving a problem, you would be pausing the video. You would be pausing the video, and you will try to solve this on your own. And you will come back over here और फिर आप आके इसका आंसर चेक करोगे. यही मैं हर बार अपने हर एक वीडियो में बोलता हूँ, right? What least value must be given to n so that this number becomes divisible by 9. अब ऐसा क्या कर दें, क्या रख दें उसको कि वो divisible हो जाए 9 से. And you know what is the divisibility rule of 9? It is sum of digits, all of it should be divisible by 9. So now see this. This is what? 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus n plus 2. And if you add them up, this is 6 plus 1 7 plus 3 10 plus 5 15 plus 2 17. Now this is 17 plus n, and this number, this 17 plus 1 will have to be divisible by 9, right? If it will have to be divisible by 9, what should be the value of n out here? Now try to understand this thing. 9 की टेबल अगर हम देखें ना तो 9 आएगा and then 18 आएगा and then 27 आएगा and then we have got 36. So this sum cannot be 9. This sum cannot be 9. But there is a possibility that this sum becomes 18. And if I say that if this sum will have to become 18, what is the value of n? The value of n comes out as 1, exactly 1. And here there is an option which is 1, and then they are talking about the least value. We can find out the bigger one. Say for example, what if rather than 18 आप इसको 27 रख दो, ठीक है. और अगर आपने 27 रखा तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. n की वैल्यू आपको निकल के कितनी मिलेगी? द वैल्यू ऑफ n विल बी 10. एंड any number that we are using over here, n should be one digit number, right? It cannot be two digit numbers. So the range of n should be from 0 to 9. It cannot be 10. So this is not even a possibility. So only one value of n exists, which is 1. तो हमने क्या किया? हमने यहाँ पे पता किया भाई कि डिविजिबिलिटी रूल लगाई 9 की, और जैसे ही हमने 9 की डिविजिबिलिटी रूल यहाँ पे लगाई, हमें क्या मिल गया? हमें n की वैल्यू यहाँ पे मिल गई. Is that okay? So what I'll be doing in this video is we are applying those techniques which we learned in video number 1 and video number 2, right? Pause the videos, try to solve this on your own. This question says, now this number will have to be divisible by 4, right? And you need to find out, does it add this asterisk? How would you figure it out? तो आपको तो ये पता है ना कि 8 की यहाँ पे 4 की डिविजिबिलिटी रूल होती क्या है? What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits must be divisible by this 4, right? We don't even have to be worried about this entire big number. What is that we should be focusing upon? We should be focusing upon this 8 and this asterisk. Is that okay? Now, what could be the possible values out here? Now try to understand this thing. If you write the table of 4, or if you divide this number by 4, this will be 2 times, which is 8 is gone, and you have got this asterisk, and this entire remainder को 0 होना ही पड़ेगा. Only then this number is going to be divisible by 4. Is that okay? Does this make sense? Now if it is the case, now try to understand. Asterisk की जगह पे 0 भी हो सकता है, 4 भी हो सकता है, और क्या हो सकता है? It could be 8. Now try to see this, no, on your own. If asterisk is this, so the number will turn out to be 80. If it is 4, it will be 84, and if it is 8, this is going to be 88. Understand this thing. 80, 84, 88, all of them are divisible by 4. Is that okay? So at the place of asterisk we could have 0, 4, 8, but हमारे ऑप्शन में यहाँ पे क्या लिखा जा रहा है? हमारे ऑप्शन में यहाँ पे क्या आता है? सिर्फ और सिर्फ 4 आता है, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द आंसर. समटाइम्स क्वेश्चंस में ये पूछा जाता है हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल वैल्यूज ऑफ एस्टरिस्क्स आर पॉसिबल. यू अंडरस्टैंड? यानी यहाँ पे कितने सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं? 3 है, राइट? 0 and 4 and 8. So that answer will have to be 3. So sometimes wording को भी पढ़ना चाहिए प्रॉब्लम की. प्रॉब्लम में क्या आप 0, 4, 8 में परेशान हो रहे हो कि भाई ये तो ऑप्शन है ही नहीं है, ऑप्शन तो वहां पे 3 रखा हुआ है. तो वो प्रॉब्लम पूछना क्या चाहता है, दैट मैटर्स द मोस्ट. इज दैट ओके? तो अभी चलते हैं नेक्स्ट वाले प्रॉब्लम पे, एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट, पॉज द वीडियो, सॉल्व दिस ऑन योर ओन. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 15? 15 से कौन से नंबर डिवाइड होते हैं? What is the prime factorization of 15? It is 3 is to power 1 and 5 is to power 1. Do you understand this thing? You know the divisibility rule of 3 now, and you also know the divisibility rule of 5. Let us check the divisibility rule of 3 on the very first one. So this option is 1, 7, 3, 2, 5. So what is the sum? 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So this sum is 18, and the sum is divisible by 3, right? And so this number is divisible by 3. And how about the divisibility rule of 5? ये बोलता है कि भाई आखिरी वाला यूनिट प्लेस वाला इट हैज टू बी आइदर 0 और 5. तो या तो 0 हो जाए या तो ये 5 हो जाए. तो ये तो है, यानी ये जो नंबर है 1, 7, 3, 2, 5, ये नंबर डिविजिबल है किससे किससे? 3 से भी हो रहा है, 5 से भी हो रहा है, एंड हेंस दिस नंबर नेसेसरली इज गोइंग टू बी डिविजिबल बाय 15. अब ये पहला ऑप्शन आ गया यहाँ पे, ये तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है. बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि भाई चौथा वाला ऑप्शन सही होगा, आपने पहले में चेक किया, दूसरे में चेक किया, तीसरे में चेक किया, फिर आप फाइनली उस पर आए और आंसर आ गया. तो दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड लक फैक्टर. बट लक फैक्टर भी किसी का काम करता है, जिसको क्वेश्चन आता है, जिसको मेथड आता है, उसी के लिए तो काम करेगा. तो कभी कभी क्या रहता है कि पहला नहीं हुआ, दूसरा नहीं सही हुआ, तो कोई लोग तीसरे को सही चेक करने के बजाय चौथे पे जाकर चेक करना शुरू करते हैं. दैट इज वन स्ट्रेटेजी, राइट? लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. Read this problem, try to solve this on your own, and this is a good problem to solve. It says that number is formed by writing first 54 natural numbers in front of each other as this. Find the remainder when this number is divided by 8. 8 की divisibility rule क्या हमने सीखी है? Last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Is that okay? Now अगर ये बढ़ा के रखा हुआ है ऐसे ही, राइट? सो वी विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट लास्ट 3 digits and how many they have written first 54 natural numbers, right? If they have written first 54 natural numbers, so all that they're trying to say is they're starting with 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. They will go up to 9 and 10 and 11 and then so forth and so on, 51, 52, 53, and they're coming out as this thing. So first a number is formed by writing first 54 natural numbers in front of this number. Find the remainder when this number gets divided by 8. Try to understand this thing. What is the last 3 digits out here? This number. Find the remainder when this number is divisible by 8. So what is that you should be doing is 354 को ही डिवाइड कर दो ना 8 से, और क्या ही करना है इसमें. देखने में बड़ा लग रहा है ये प्रॉब्लम. So this is 2 and that is coming out as 3 and again. So what is that we are getting? We are getting 2 as the answer. Just be very careful. What is that you're doing? First 54 natural numbers लिखना है, तो 1 2 3 4 up to 53 54 लिखेंगे. कुछ नहीं करना था, सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम डरा रहा था. ये दम तो है नहीं. लास्ट के 3 डिजिट आपको निकालने हैं. जैसे ही आपने लास्ट के 3 डिजिट निकाल दिए, यहाँ पे आपका काम हो गया खत्म. 354 and if 354 is divisible by 8, then I would say this entire number is going to be divisible by 8. You understand this? And if 354 is not divisible by 8, and then whatever is going to be the remainder, ये वही रिमाइंडर आएगा जब बाकी के लिए आप निकालते हो। ठीक है जी, चलो let us move to the next problem and try to do on your own. That problem says that 5 6 7 this is divisible by 88. Now you have done this, we did on the very first page, right? And the answer that we had got was 10. I hope that you remember this problem, and I am going to see you in video number 4. Now this is what I had in video number 3. In video number 4 we will be talking about a kind of, because these problems were very simple in nature, so we will be taking moderate level problems in video number 4, and I would be solving this thing over there. So if you want to solve it and want to check what is the answer, do it, and I am gonna see you in video number 4. Till then, bye bye and take care.